Welcome to Sew For Real. We're going to start with our single layer key fob. So go ahead and grab the following supplies. So the first thing that we're going to do is to cut out template C. That's the only one that we're going to be using for this project. Okay, next you're going to trace template C on the back of the faux leather. You can use this Taylor chalk pencil, which is water soluble, which means that you could take some water and wipe it off after you're finished. Or you could use a pen, whatever is easier and most visible to you on the back of the faux leather. So grab those scissors and let's go ahead and cut out our strip of faux leather. So now that's done, I want you to grab your hardware and you'll notice that there's two pieces. We're going to take the round circle part off of the key fob for now. Next, we're going to grab our running pliers and I'm going to insert my key fob down into the center so that the teeth are up at the top, and it's just going to sit there for a minute. Now I'm going to grab my faux leather strip and I'm going to simply fold it in half. Holding your strip in one hand, go ahead and grab your running pliers. Insert the open end into the clamp. Make sure that it's lined up. And then once you're satisfied, go ahead and squeeze. Give it a nice squeeze to make sure that it is secure. At this point, you can go ahead and add the circular keychain back. And your key fob is finished. If there's any pieces overhanging or not even, feel free to grab a pair of scissors and just trim that off. But that's your key fob, y'all. You did it.